welcome back into my channel. My name is Loving Good and I have a good news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how we take a picture the good way instead of taking picture into the wrong way. So let's check out the video. Alright, if we take picture in this side, this is the good way when we take any type of picture or any type of video, because the video will be much more full size when we upload it, or any type of picture what you have. Also, it will be easier for viewer watching your video if you take a picture as this way. Let's see into this other way. If you take a picture like this or any type of video, then your background, it doesn't show properly. Just half of your background is shown. Also, it will be little difficult for viewer watching the video because they can see black screen into the both sides. Maybe they love watching your video, but the video doesn't show properly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope my video will be helpful whenever you take any type of video or any type of picture. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe, because every single week I make a new video for you to make some laugh. I share some funny video too. If you have any type of question, then write down on my comment and I will answer back about it.